Just know if you don't got time in the morning, this is the type of wig for you. These headband wigs are very much so being slept on, sis, so do not sleep on it. Hey beauties, my name is Chanel, and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous, super easy 1, 2, 3 type slay wig. So if you want to know more specs and deets about it, go ahead and keep on watching. Obviously this one is by Wiggins hair, as you guys see in the title, and I absolutely love it. This color was really shocking to me at first. I was like, I'm not sure if I'm ready, but it's giving Labor Day, it's giving like early, like, you know, fall vibes. So if you are loving her, girl, through this video, what you're experiencing right now, yet alone when you actually see her in person, she is just super, super beautiful, so soft and so fluffy. I kind of like wet it for her, but in the whole, like me taking it out the package and applying it, like when I took it out the package and when I applied it, I didn't kind of wet it, but y'all, all I did was wet it, apply some leave-in conditioner. I think it was just regular conditioner, girl, to be honest with you. I'll leave the products down below. It was super easy, and you need in your life, sis. If you are a college babe, if you are someone that's just really super busy, or even for my teachers out there, my professors out there, that you just need something really quick, I see you guys out there, and I just want to acknowledge the teachers out there as well. I support you. I know how it could be just getting up early on those Zoom calls and you're just literally slapping something on your head because you need something really quick and not doing too much just to hop on a Zoom call, but you do want to look put together. This is for you, babes. Even if you don't like the color, listen, hear me out. This headband wig, you need some type of headband wig, and my gal, this one would be perfect, especially this wave pattern. I absolutely love it, even in a dark color, because I'm a plain Jane gal too. I said enough. I'm gonna go right into the style and, you know, kind of show you guys how it was super, super easy to style and all that jazz. Alright, you guys, so this is exactly how I styled her. Again, I did not do the water and conditioner on camera. I did that off camera, but you guys, literally water and conditioner, you guys see me do it all the time. I feel like a lot of my main viewers that always see me do it, like, okay, Chanel, like, yeah, what's next? But really, a lot of people be thinking like I do something super, super special, but just use water and conditioner and girl, you'll be fine for style. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I love it. Wiggins hair did amazing on this. The link is on top of the description bar, and all the products that I use to style this hair is listed down below as well. One major key that I do want to talk about really, really quick is this like edge control. I think it really, really saved me, you guys. I have 4C hair, and the fact that my baby hairs could be laid down like this is just phenomenal. And this is it being laid down without me wrapping it. So just imagine when I wrap it, just so that it can set, how bomb and slayage is going to look. But yeah, I just never really found a edge control that really worked with my baby hair. So Suede came out with a collaboration with Kiss, and my sister actually put me on, and girl, I actually love it for my 4C hair girls. I feel like you're actually going to love it as well. So as you guys know, 4C hair is like, it's hard to kind of like have really bomb products to find to actually manage. So when I find a product, I love to share it with y'all babes. I'll have the link down below because girl, it's a must. Like, you need this in your life, especially when you're styling your hair with these half wigs, I like to call them, but it's called headband wigs, but I call them half wigs, sis. But yeah, anyways, this is in the scent strawberry acai, or other people pronounce it acai. And then there's also the sweet peach. I love the sweet peach. There's so much flavors, you guys literally need to pick up. And I do believe they actually carry these in Walmart. Mind you, this is not a sponsor. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, but absolutely love this hair, you guys, and Wiggins hair did amazing. Let me know what y'all think about it. For my college babes that's going back to school, I hope you guys have an amazing start to your semester. Go ahead and crush it and kill it, because you can do anything you put your mind into. Definitely pick up a headband wig to go ahead and slay on your new school year, you guys. And for my teachers and busy girls out there, busy women, busy mom, you are going to love this headband wig as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, you guys, till next time, later.